Replace canopy lights and outdated HID high bays when you install Sunco Lighting's UFO High Bay. This Sunco Lighting how-to video covers the easy install of our round area light. Before you begin, review the manual completely. Also, turn off power to the high bay. This manual covers high bay installation with the included lifting ring. You will need to provide a secure ceiling hook and, if needed, a chain to lower the height of your light fixture. Please refer to the full manual for additional install methods, including ceiling mount with an adjustable yoke, hook mount with bracket, and half-inch NTP pipe mounting. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, call a licensed electrician to complete your installation. You will need these tools to perform the install. Ready? Let's get started. If using a ceiling hook without a chain, drill a pilot hole, then securely install your hook in the ceiling or other adequate support. At this point, you can adjust the hanging height by adding your own chain. If using a chain, please refer to your lighting plan to suspend the light at the optimal height for each fixture to suit your unique scenario. Once determined, cut the chain to the correct length. Add the lifting ring by screwing it clockwise onto the top of your UFO high bay. Tighten it firmly. Next, using the lifting ring, hang the fixture on your ceiling hook. Securing with a safety cable is recommended. The loop end of the safety cable connects to a solid building support, not the hook you installed. The clip end secures to the pre-cut holes between fins on the high bay's fixture rim. If using a chain, secure one side of the chain to a solid building support, then secure the other chain end to the lifting ring. Again, adding a safety cable is recommended. Next, connect the supply wires to the UFO high bay wires. Add wire nuts to complete the power connection. Here are the power and dimming wire lengths for this high bay. If you are adding a dimmer to your high bay, connect the fixture's dimming wires to your dimmer, then secure with wire nuts. Be sure to pair each Sunco UFO high bay with a compatible dimmer. This high bay functions on 1 to 10 volt dimming, where the DC voltage varies. This creates the lowest dimming levels and scales the output of the LEDs. Sunco's high bays feature a Class 1 signaling circuit. At this point, you can turn on the circuit breaker and test your instant-on UFO high bay. The durable Sunco UFO High Bay is wet rated for exterior or indoor commercial applications. It can withstand temperature extremes. Choose Sunco, the brighter choice for dimmable and instant-on UFO High Bay LED fixtures.